Hi guys, welcome back to the new video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make sub pages in the Wix. So let's get started. First of all, go on the Wix. Once you are in, you have to go on the edit side and wait for the site to open. Now once you are in, you have to go on the pages and menu. Here you can also add the new page. You have to click any page and that page has been added. You have to click on the done. Now you have to collect all of this page in one box like this, and here your page has been added in subpages form. So yeah, this is how you can make subpages in the Wix.